So student, this is part 3 of unit 4, operators in Java. In this I am going to discuss the questions related with the predict the output. So let's see what are the questions there and how to deal with them. Question number 1. Here you can see a variable of int type in front of you, int c. C is a variable of int type, and assignment operator 3 greater than 4. So it's a relational expression which is written before the question mark. So this is the ternary operator, and here it is written 3 asterisk 4. That means 3 into 4, that will yield 12 to you. Then there is colon sign. Then it is written 3 plus 4, that means there is 7. So it is like before the question mark, whatever is there, that is actually the expression that belongs to if. Then 3 into 4 comes under the if body, means if this condition is true, then 12 will be returned. This is means this part after the colon, that is the else part. If this condition is false, then control will be transferred to this part. Alright, so 7 is going to be returned, and whether it is 12 or 7, either of the value will be assigned to C. So in this case, when you try to print C on the screen after executing this expression, the value of C will be 12, because the condition written over here is 3 less than 4. That is true. So when this part is true, then control comes in this area, means before the colon, because if you compare that with the if else, so this is the if body, so 12 will be assigned to C, so the output is going to be 12. Now move to the next question. Here you can see it's written two statements, two declarations are there. One is of the variable A, the other is of the variable B. A is given initial value 14 and B has been initialized with 4, and both of these variables definitely they are having integer type values, so they are bound to be of int type. After that, students, there is an expression again, ternary operators are used here. Then boolean x is there, equal to A greater than B. So it is if statement, if that is A greater than B, question mark, that is a relational expression. So A value of A is 14, so that is bigger than B, because B is having 4. So that means this is true. So control comes into this area. So finally the boolean value x or boolean x, x variable will be having the value true. Okay. After that we move to the next question. Now here the question number 3. It has got statement here, students, which says x initialized with the value 90, and then variable C is there, it is of char type. Which value it will have? Again the ternary operator, x is greater than 90, greater than equal to x is less than equal to 90. That is the if part. So then value of x is right now 90, so it is not less than, but it is equal to 90. So that means area returns us what? True. So that means that relational expression will gives us the value true. So C will have the value z. Okay, that means it is going to be z. The value of C is going to be z. Okay. After that we go to question number 4. Here you can see, students, int A equal to 18, int B equal to 12. So we come to this expression here, A greater than 20, and you can see a logical operator and has been used, and they say B less than 15. So that means we have to evaluate, when we evaluate this expression here, so both the sides must be true. Okay, so A is 18 and it says A greater than 20, so 18 is not greater than 20, so automatically this becomes false. And the control, if you check the other one, B less than 15 and B is 12, so this condition is true. but one part is false, the other is true, so that also will give us the answer false, because AND, logical AND says when both the sides expressions are giving us the value true or evaluates to true, then the complete expression will be returning true. All right. And what happens in this situation, if the first condition is false, then the second condition will never be evaluated, and this is what we call short circuit. That's the concept we will discuss later. So here, this A greater than 20, A is right now 18, so this is 18 is not greater than 20, so that is false. So automatically this part will not be executed, the control will go to false, else part, okay, after the colon, so the output will be false. So students, here you see C equal to val plus 550 less than 1700, then question mark 200 colon 400. Here the type is not mentioned of C, so but it is going to be integer type or int type, because the values which are going to be stored or assigned to the C are both of int type. Okay, so int is a suitable one for the C. And here students, val plus 550, so first value of val is 1000, so 1000 plus 550 equals to 1550, so 1550 less than 1700, so definitely it is less, so the control goes to this value 200, because that is the then part, or means if body, I must say, if we think about in terms of if else. So the answer or the output for the first time or for the first value is going to be 200. Okay, C will contain 200. Now we go for the second value, that says val equals to 1500. So 1500 plus 550 is going to be 2050. Okay, so 2050 less than 1700, no, it's false. So the control will not go to this area, it will go to the value after the colon, that is the else part, so it will give the value 400 to C, so the output for this is going to be 400. I hope all the outputs are clear to you, all of you. All right, thanks a lot.